Hi friends, this we are going to discuss about the recurrent selection for general combining ability. And the tester used for recurrent selection for general combining ability is broad genetic base, and for recurrent selection for specific combining ability we are going to use tester as a narrow genetic base. Without wasting much of time, let's move on directly to the procedure of recurrent selection for general combining ability. The first year, in the first year, several plants are selected on phenotypic base. First, we are selecting plants based on phenotypically. Then after that, the plants are selfing, and test crossed as a males to several random plants of the broad genetic base. That means we are going to use pollens from of the selected plants and test it to the broad genetic base. And the test crossed seeds from the selected plants are harvested. That is, after here crossing some of the selected plants to here with the test cross, the seeds are collected and those after crossing the whatever seeds are collected, those are grown in replicated yield trials. From these replicated trials, the superior progenies are identified. In this, superior progenies are identified. After, in the third year, the self seed from the plants producing superior test cross progenies planted in the crossing block. That is, here whichever plant shows the superiority of those plants which were selfed, those will be used in the third year. That is, the superior plants which were crossed with this tester. Suppose 100 plants are crossed with the tester. In this, some 30 plants are showing superiority in the test cross progeny. Those plants which were selfed in here, those plants which are selfed here, those were used. Those 30 plants were used in this intermediate block. Those are self seeds from the plants producing superior test cross progenies planted in a crossing block. All possible intercrosses are made between them. That is, suppose if 30 plants were used, all 30 in between them, all intercrossing are made. And equal seeds from all those intercrosses are composited. That is, equal amount of seeds from all these crosses are used and composited. Now we got the seeds which are very from after selecting all those tested best plants were intermediate. We got the seeds of all those. In the fourth year, like same in whatever seeds are, now we have got one of the improved plants here. Now we are crossing again with the tester all those plants in the replicated block. We are going to select superior ones. Those superiors plants were selfed here, like in same as in here, first one. Those were placed. Those were self-formatted seeds were cross made in intermating blocks, and after intermating, equal amount of seeds are selected. Now we have improved again, one generation improved. This is the first recurrent selection. This is original selection cycle. These steps may be repeated as in the first recurrent selection. This is also called population improvement, or for quantitative traits are improved by this method. And coming to specific combining ability, everything is same, just in this we have used tester as a broad genetic base. We are going to use narrow genetic base. After evaluating all those, evaluating here whichever plants are shows best, those plants sulfide seeds were used in interbox and collection of equal amount of seeds and growing it. Like this we are going to improve the population. This is all about recurrent selection of general combining ability and the recurrent selection for specific combining ability. Please do subscribe our channel. Nothing will happen, कुछ नहीं होगा. Just subscribe करने से it will help us to more motivate and help us to do again extra videos for you. Thank you.